Hey guys, we received this UVSAI UPF 50 plus foldable sun hats for test and try. It have a wide brim with a large neck flap for the men woman UV protection and the gardening use. So as you can see, this fits really well. Let's explore. So comes in this nice pack. Let me just take this out. So this have this two ventilated sides. Also is the sweat proof with the knobs or the knots on the side. So it's a nice sun protection that covers completely. So nice breathable mesh with this adjustable. So once after wearing, you can see this have this nice breathable mesh for ventilation. Also have adjustable back cord for the custom fit. So nice and comfortable with a nice stitching and a nice head coverage. From the back you can see a nice flap, and there is a rear button, and also you can adjust the head size along with this tag. And this rear button is actually helpful, like if you want to change the style. See, you can easily put on this tag and then just take it out if you want to change the style or you want to more coverage. So pretty nice thing, and it's a water and stain resistant fabric with a chin strap and the locking toggle, small shark clip for secure attachment, and the moisture wicking sweatband inside that I showed before. So this chin strap is also nice that you can easily adjust for the length and the things. Overall, this is a really nice hat and the nice design for your sun protection.